Hello and welcome. Today in this segment, we will start a new series. We will revise current affairs for SSC, railway and banking exam through one-liner points. Okay, so this will a rapid revision point and we will continue this series. And so today is the first part, and in this part we will study about national affairs. Okay, after the rapid revision points we will revise it through MCQs. So today is the revision point session, so let's start the session. If you are new in this channel, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel e-education. You can join us in Telegram, in FB page also. Okay, so let's start today's segment. First point, which has become the first state or union territories in the country to become COVID-19 free on February 3rd, 2021. So, which is the first state or first UT? That is Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, so Andaman Nicobar is the first union territory to be COVID-19 free on February 2021. Okay, clear? Next, Hima Kohli has been appointed as the Chief Justice of which state's High Court? So, Hima Kohli has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Telangana. Okay, this is very important. Next, which state has rolled out Launchpad scheme? So, this is an important scheme, that is Launchpad scheme. Okay, to make youth self-reliant. So, this is a scheme that helps the youth to be self-reliant. Okay, and so this is a state program of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, clear? Next, which company has built the 450 km Kochi-Mangaluru natural gas pipeline inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Okay, so GAIL India Private Limited has built the 450 km Kochi-Mangaluru natural gas pipeline. Okay, clear? And it may be asked also, who inaugurated this? This is inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the world's first double-stack container train between which stations? So this is also very important point. World's first double-stack container has been inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister between New Italy, that is in Haryana, and New Kisangarh. New Kisangarh is in Rajasthan. Okay, so the world's first double-stack container train started between Haryana and Rajasthan, and the station names New Italy and New Kisangarh. Okay. Next, which state has become the 8th state to complete ease of doing business reforms? Okay, so it's the number 8 state to complete the ease of doing business reforms, and the number 8 state is Kerala. Okay, clear? Next, which ministry has launched a Saksham awareness campaign recently to spread awareness about the green energy? So this is very important, that what is the purpose to launch the Saksham awareness campaign. So Saksham is a campaign, you should remember that, and it's launched to spread awareness about green energy. Okay, so there is 3 points already, and the campaign is related the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Okay, very important point for your upcoming exams. Next, where will be India's first labor movement museum set up? Okay, so India's first labor movement museum set up in Kerala, and the place name is Alappuzha. Okay, clear? Next, which trains has renamed as Netaji Express in January 2021. Okay, so the birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, 23rd January We should remember that. And that day is also celebrated as Desh Prem Divas. Okay, sorry, that day is started to the day will celebrate hereafter in West Bengal as Desh Nayak Divas. Okay, so the Netaji Express is started or it's renamed as in Howrah to Kalka Mail. Okay, the place is in West Bengal. Okay, next, which ministry launched Shram Shakti, a national migration support portal? So first of all, this is an important point, that Shram Shakti. What is Shram Shakti? So it's a national migration support portal. So this is also a question, that is Shram Shakti is a portal and relates to a national migration support. Okay, next, and it's a digital data solution for migrant to worker, that's also launched on January 23rd, 2021. And which ministry launched? It's helped it launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Clear? So Shram Shakti is launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Clear? This is also very, very important, and there are 3 points included in this part. You should know all this. Next, name the initiative launched by India under which it will gift COVID-19 vaccines to neighboring countries. Okay, so this is a very, very important point also, that is the initiative named as Vaccine Maitri. Okay, clear? So by this initiative, India is providing vaccine to the neighboring countries. Okay, next, which state government has launched Urundoi scheme to empower women? So first of all, you should remember what is the purpose of the scheme Urundoi, that is to empower women. And which state government launched? This is launched by the Assam state government. Okay, next, all points are very, very important for your upcoming exam. Okay, and I am taking this from the Arihant yearbook. This is the segment of rapid revision point from Arihant yearbook. I hope you are already following this, and I hope this will help you a lot to memorize things more deeply. Next, which university is at the top among the Indian universities in the QS Asia University Ranking 2021 released in December 2020? Okay, so at the top among the which university is at the top? So IIT Bombay is in the top list in the QS Asia University ranking. Okay, next, which state has launched the Swasthya Sathi scheme? So Swasthya Sathi, that is related to the health sector. Okay, so this scheme is launched by the West Bengal government. Okay, next, Nangpok Sikmai police station of Dash is the best performing police station in the country 2020. So you should remember that Nangpok Sikmai police station is in Manipur. Okay, and that police station is declared as the best performing police station in the country in 2020. Okay, next, which city has been included in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites under UNESCO Urban Landscape City Program in December 2020? Okay, so the list includes UNESCO World Heritage Sites and under UNESCO Urban Landscape City. Okay, so the options are correct option are Gwalior and Orcha, and the places exist in Madhya Pradesh. Correct? So this is all for this segment. We will bring back a new series, and this series will continue regularly, and we will revise few current affairs in this in that way. Okay, I hope it will help you a lot to crack your upcoming exams. Okay, so thank you, take care.